So, JC, can you just talk about some of the challenges associated with service line leaks between the meter and the home, and what can customers do to protect their property and kind of prepare for those kinds of issues?
So, our first program that we put in to help with service line leaks is the Leak Repair Reimbursement Program. So let's say you spring a service line leak at your house and it costs you $3,000 to fix it. If you reach out to us and apply, and you can actually do the application online at lvvwd.com, and you are eligible, we will send you a check once we've demonstrated that one, the leak stopped, and two, we have a receipt, so we know you paid for it to get it fixed. We'll send you a check for 50% of that, up to $2,000 per occurrence. So that's a big deal to people, right? What you thought was going to be a catastrophic financial hit ends up being still bad, but not terrible.